Hey guys, it's Lisa Marie. You know, it's a season to entertain, and I like to take a recipe that I really love and transform it into something else. So today I'm taking my crab salad and I'm going to make it into a nice little appetizer. So it's a crab salad in a cute little cucumber cup. So you want to cut your cucumber about 1 inch in size. Now you can use a regular cucumber, or I actually prefer the hot house, but this is what I have in my refrigerator, so use what you have. So after you've made the cuts, you can take, I have a 1/4 teaspoon, and you can just scoop out the middle, and be careful not to go all the way down to the bottom, like so. Now don't throw away these bits. You can use this and throw them into the juicer for some juice with some other vegetables, or I like to sprinkle a little pink Himalayan sea salt on here and just eat them. It's delicious. So the cucumber cups are ready. Now we're gonna make the crab salad, which takes no time at all. I have about 1 pound of fresh crab meat, shelled. You're gonna add Greek yogurt. You can use full fat or 2%. A 1/2 cup of celery that's finely diced. And a 1/4 cup of red onion. This is a great way to work on your knife skills, guys. A tablespoon of fresh dill, a little salt, a little pepper, and a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And we're just gonna give that a mix. And if the mixture feels a little dry to you, go ahead and add a little bit more of the yogurt. The great thing about this, if you have some left over, just toast up some bread and make a nice sandwich. So to make these just a little bit prettier, a little more special, I'm gonna take my peeler and I'm just going to make some stripes in there. So remember, you could stripe these before you cut them up, but I wanted to show you could do it 2 ways. Now the easy part, just take your cucumber cups and put a little bit of that crab salad in there. And just to make it pretty, put a little bit of dill on top, and there you have it. It's pretty. Time for a little taste test.